is everyone doing today? Today I made a video in regards to 11 healthy foods that are good for you as we age. If you do like this video, do click the like and subscribe button at the bottom of this video. 11 healthy foods that are good for us. One is egg. Eggs are a good source of protein. It protects the muscles from bone loss. At number 2, we have the fatty fish, which is the salmon, tuna. They are a great source of omega-3 and can also improve brain cognition. Number 3, we have the citrus fruits. They have anti-inflammatory properties and anti-cancer properties. At number 4, we have the spices. They can help improve cognition. Number 5, we have your dairy products, your milk, your probiotic yogurt. They help flood the gut with good bacteria. Number 6, we have your leafy vegetables, so your cabbage, kale. They help with the detoxification and joint health. Number 7, you have the oysters, and oysters are good for you. They help support your immune system as well as provide a high dose of zinc. At number 8, you have the tomatoes. They are rich in antioxidants, which have been known to reduce heart disease. Number 9, you have your blueberries, which is high in fiber. Number 10, you have your nuts, such as your almonds. They are high in vitamin E and can help lower blood sugar. Number 11, you have your beans, and that is the final one, the beans, the chickpeas, the kidney beans, and they can help fight cancer as well as reduce cholesterol. I do hope you've enjoyed this educational video. It has been done for educational purposes. All copyrights go to Google for their images provided in this video. I do not own any of the rights, but I do hope you've enjoyed this lovely video and have yourself a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom of this video. Thank you.